Hi, good day all. This is Asa from Men's Trinkets, and thank you very much for joining me today. For today's episode, we are going to learn to install print and install these Bible tabs. It's really quick and really easy, and it makes all your Bible studies so much easier. For those of you who are interested, this is available at my Ko-Fi shop. And now we are going to send our 2 pages to print. And these are our 2 printed pages. We have a front and a back. So when we fold it over, we can see our tabs clearly from both views, the front and the back. And it's just going on 2 pages. There's 2 extra tabs here to add in case there's anything extra you wish to add. And now we're going to run some scotch tape across our page to make our paper waterproof, to make our tabs waterproof. And now we're going to run some scotch tape across our page to make our paper waterproof, to make our tabs waterproof. And now we're going to use the scissors and follow the edge of the tabs and individually cut each tabs. And now we fold over the tab in half, and we're going to stick this part down, and you can stick it with ordinary paper glue because this section is just paper. And then we're going to attach this to our Bible. So just continue sticking all of the tabs. And now we are going to place our tabs in our Bible. So 5 tabs will fit along this section. And I'm just using a stronger glue this time. I'm using a Fabitac glue. But any strong glue would work. So we're starting with the first one, which is Genesis. Place the glue on the back of the tab, and place it exactly where this point curves in. Just press it down, ensure it sticks properly. Now we move on to the second one, which is Exodus. So right where it curves is right where you're placing it, almost like a C. So it shows through Genesis, then Exodus. Press it down, stick it firmly, and now Leviticus. Right where it curves, place it down. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus. And I just use a bone folder just to press this down. You can use your hand, your fingers, or anything. A bone folder is not necessary. And now we're moving on to Numbers. This little curve acts as the guideline. Press it down. Now, Deuteronomy. And press it down. Now my Bible can only hold 5 tabs. Your Bible may hold 4 or 5 depending on the size of your Bible. Judges. And now we repeat the same pattern. Judges. Samuel. Ruth. Kings. This is what we have completed so far, so we continue with the entire book until we have finished. And when you have finished installing all your tabs, your book should look like this. Really neatly and nicely done and easy to find any chapter that you wish.